These are all taller than me. I'm on my tiptoes here.
Got long arms, that's why.
Easy.
Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Layfield and welcome to the Axi Select Your Edge Challenge. With Axi Select, Axi's capital allocation program, traders can access up to $1 million in funding. Joining me today are our treble winners, Kyle Walker, Erling Haaland and Rodrigo. Are you ready for it today, the boys?
Born ready. Let's go.
I'm ready.
Born ready.
Let's do it. In each of today's challenges, one of you is going to be given the edge courtesy of Axi, just like how the trading platform lets you trade your edge. Okay, so let's begin with round one, and it's all about testing your dexterity and your speed. In the first challenge, you'll need to separate the coloured balls by colour so that each of the containers in front of you is filled with just one shade. The winner of the Axi Edge for this round will get 2 balls removed from each container. Okay, so question number 1. Last season, City got the winning edge over Chelsea, beating them 1-0 at the Etihad. Who scored the winning goal?
Julian Alvarez.
Rodri. That is correct, and your answer grants you the edge in this challenge. Okay, here we go. First to complete the challenge wins in 3, 2, 1, let's go! This is much more of a gentle thing than I thought. Oh, there's a bit of a loss. Someone's lost the ball down there.
No, he's lost the ball.
You're gonna have to get it back. Rodri, you're gonna have to pick up
I know.
You got it, you got it.
I'm doing it at the end.
Here we go. Oh, this is lovely. Erling's very calm.
These are all taller than me. I'm on my tiptoes here.
Yep.
I'm done.
No, he's not. He's still got one in.
Erling got it. Okay,
No, he's still got one in.
Got it.
Which one?
Oh, give us a stall. These are all massive. I'm on my tiptoes here. Yeah, but is that the first game?
Yeah.
Okay, go now. Yeah, because I couldn't reach over the box.
Right, Rodri, you had a ball, it went loose. Kyle, nightmare.
Don't worry. First game. Still got many more to go.
The competitive is none. Erling, you were very smooth.
Got long arms, that's why.
Long arms. Erling Haaland wins the first round. Congratulations. Love that. In our next challenge, we'll be seeing how steady-handed each of you guys are. So, using just one hand, I want you to try building the biggest tower in 30 seconds. Whoever answers my question right first will be given a 3-second head start. Right, so guys, your question. In the 2021-2022 Premier League season, Man City edged Liverpool to the Premier League title, but can you recall how many points we secured the title by? 1, 2 or 3?
One.
Erling Haaland gets it. Erling Haaland
here?
gets it, and therefore gets a
wasn't even here.
3-second lead.
You can't answer a question if you're not even here.
I'm going to count you in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, interesting. Everyone's. Oh! Oh no, that is disastrous. Oh, Rodri's looking really balanced. Do not knock it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Oh!
The finger, please. The finger, Kyle.
No, she said 3, 2, 1, time's up. I put my finger on it.
Just the finger out.
I don't think that's in the rules. To
No?
be honest, I don't think that's in the rules. Nor was you just
Leave
like,
it.
holding it.
Leave it.
Leave it, go on.
Yeah.
Yes. There we go, clear winner in Rodri. Congratulations, Rodri wins challenge 2. Right, on our Axi board, you'll be taking turns sliding these discs into the score zone, and the winner will be the one with the most points when all the discs have been used up. The winner of the edge is going to get 1 additional ka-ching little disc to slide so you can get yourself some extra points, okay? So this is the big one. What's the average amount traded daily on the Forex market? Is it A, 5 million, B, 5 billion, or C, 5 trillion?
5 million.
5 billion.
5 billion.
Keep guessing because no one's got the right
5
answer.
trillion.
Correct.
Yes. Give me the eggs.
Pretty obvious.
Oh
Yeah.
my
Pretty obvious.
God.
You get this lovely little counter here,
Thank
you get
you.
a little edge to go. Right, roll,
okay.
paper, scissors, see who goes first.
1, 2, 3, no?
How do we
1, 2, show.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, show. 1, 2, show. 1, 2, show. 1, 2, show. Ah!
No, it's good. Good. Leave.
There's
No,
one.
that's
One.
okay. So Rodri's not done great, but that's all right. We've got time on our hands. Here we go. Oh, that was how it's done. That was good.
Hey,
that was good.
kick this guy out of it.
Erling, you're up.
One, well done.
Why are you laughing? Look at you.
I go, right?
It's
Okay,
a bit weaker
on
than I
the
thought
dot.
it was. Okay, that's one for Haaland. One for Haaland. Rodri, second turn for you. Nice, he's got into his flow. He's got into his flow. Right on the Axi edge there. Right on the edge. Let's see.
Don't be. Nah, you.
we go.
He's safe.
So Rodri, you're back to 0 points. Kyle
All right.
remains on a good solid 3. Oh! Right on the
What are
Axi
you
edge
doing,
again.
No, he has to go.
Nah.
He has to go around it and he goes. Bueno.
You're a
Wow.
clown. Why you do
Wow,
it?
that was aggressive
Now Kyle
as
wins
well.
anyways.
No, because he can. Yeah, but you have a one shot, right?
Right, hang on a second.
Yeah,
let me
but
just
what?
get. No, wait. Just let
have
me get
one
the
more shot?
Bills
Yeah,
scores,
but you
okay?
are finished.
So what? You can.
How many points you have?
You got no points.
No, I
You
have
got no
He's
points.
got no points, but he's got pride.
Yeah, I
for
got
getting
pride.
Off the edge. Okay. No points. 1 point. Who's that?
Me.
1 point for Erling. 3 points for Kyle.
I'm gonna make it interesting.
You've got one more here. So go.
Have
Got
to
two
knock
more.
it.
Don't forget about my edge. Don't forget about my edge.
No shit.
Here we go.
What are you doing?
No, because I'm going to make you win. You are with me?
Ah, yeah, okay.
Okay, venga, eh?
Vamos, va,
Okay.
Put it
Erling,
in,
you
win.
need a solid 3 points.
You need 3.
Please. That was ridiculous.
Okay, now Roger, what are you saying? That's a shame.
That was
I'm
bad.
Kylie.
Okay?
Bye bye.
Yeah, this is Kyle's golden boy.
He's not gonna shoot.
Come on, you're extra edge now.
Oh, it's unlucky, lads. Two my counters on thing. So I win. Number 2 for 2.
What scores total are we at?
1-1-1.
1-1-1. Guys,
Everyone's
that
a winner.
means everyone's a winner. You've won 1 challenge each.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well done.
Congrats, brother.
Congrats, everyone.
What difference did having the Axi Edge make for you guys?
To have that Axi edge gives you a little bit of security knowing that, you've got an advantage over your opponents, which the Axi edge does.
So there you have it, folks. If you've ever dreamt of playing in the big leagues just like our City players, then we have just the right thing for you, courtesy of Axi. With Axi Select, you can get access to funds of up to $1 million. What's more, you get to keep up to 90% of the profits. And all of that while paying 0 registration fees and 0 monthly fees.
Axi, trade your edge.